They want to see how to make these parrots dance. Dance! Okay, dance. Okay. Wait, what? See? Now they're dancing. I just put some pig stuff in here, and now they all dance.
How did you make them dance?
I just put a disc in the jukebox, plays a silent song. Because technically on my auto thing, you go to auto, and then here's what it sounds like. It's pretty good. Okay, it's pretty cool to start. And you might realize that over there, these guys will be following me, I guess. But, of course, I updated the tunnel.
That looks sweet.
This looks like a satisfying, one of those satisfying videos, like 15 satisfying things. But now it stopped. Great. So now it's silent, so now it's no longer satisfying, so I just fly through. You could stare at the ocean. Oh, poor parrot. And then when I get here, it's the nothing land. This is the start of the pig step thing. So now I just magically float in the water. The parrots are holding me up.
Really?
Yeah, totally. Not like I'm just in creative mode and I have parrots on me. No, the parrots are totally hanging me up. Just joking.
So they're not holding you up?
So I'm just flying in creative mode.
Oh.
And then, yeah, parrots hold me up. Pretend that, and then basically. So then you go up here. This has became the new music of the video, listening to birds chirping. Then I actually made a house. So then you open these doors. Chest! Chest! Want some proof that they work? Wait. Very quick. I gotta see if they work properly. It's condensed, okay? It's supposed to be 2. And then, now if you walk outside, here's a little thing I call the farm. And yeah, there's a whole bunch of sheep.
Oh, you like trapped them?
Yeah, well, technically, I kind of created them with magical hacks of the unknown. Magical. And I could do one of those hacks again. Whatchin'? I'm good at acting. JK.
You just played Kill the Chicken game.
Yay! Just joking. Why is my parrot sounding like a... Why is my parrot laughing at me? And there's lava lamps also. See, lava lamps. And they look pretty cool. I put lava with glass. They also have these little things. I'm gonna King Kong up here. Look at how high I could jump. Oh no, falling back down. I'm not flying. Okay. Bye. Bye.